Hello dear sisters and brothers of my YouTube family. Today we're going to look at the meaning of this word and an example with grammar. The word is affected. Affected. Affected means artificial, pretend, influence. Synonyms of affected are pretentious, pompous. Example: Sarah is proud and always behaves in an affected manner. Sarah is proud and always behaves in an affected manner. Here affected is an adjective. An adjective is one of the 8 parts of speech. Adjectives provide further information about a noun. Specifically, they explain more about a noun's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. Example: it's a lovely table. Did you see how big that dog was? Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Bye.